Okay, baby. Baby Bailey, let's learn your alphabet. What is this? L for? Lion. Okay, you put here because we're done with this one. Z for? Zebra. Good job. Okay, we're done with this. You put here. Yeah, zebra is finished. So you put here. Now this one. Oh, okay. Then what about this? W for? Watermelon. Good job. Okay. Oh, what is this? S for? Sun. How about this? Bailey, look. What is this? Oh, it's so colorful. K for? Kangaroo. No.
What's this?
What's this? Kite. Good job, Bailey. What are you holding? U for? Umbrella. Good job. How about this? P for? Parrot. Yeah, that's correct. How about this? N for? Nest. Ah, correct. And what is this? What is on the nest? What is on the nest? Egg. Good job. How about this? T for? Tree. Good job. And J for?
J for? Look.
Oh, look. Oh, what is this? Okay. A for? Apple. How about that? What's that? Bowl. Where's the cat? Cat. And? Dog. Okay. Fish. Is that a fish? Oh, well, you're done with that, Bailey.
How about this one? What's this?
A bowl, yeah. And then this. H for?
Chicken.
Hen. Hen.
This one is?
Egg.
How about this one?
Grapes. Okay.
And this one is?
Rabbit.
R. Rabbit.
Zebra. Good
This
job.
one is?
Lion.
Lion.
Okay. And
This
this
one
one? Yo-yo. How about this? Your favorite? What is this? Ice cream.
This one is fruit.
Mango.
Good job. What else?
I think you are done. Oh, we have letter V for?
What's this? Yeah, dog.
Yeah, V for?
What?
V for?
Van.
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 I think
What
you're done
else?
with everything.
Oh, done. No more. Good job.
Good job, Bailey. Yeah, what's that? Zebra. Okay, what else?
What else do you know?
What else do you know, Bailey? What's... Okay. Okay, let's start from this. What is this? A yo-yo. And then? Chicken. And then? Xylophone. And then, how about this? How about this? This is your favorite fruit? Bailey, what is this? Your favorite fruit? That is a puzzle. Oh, what is this? Bailey? Yes, that is a puzzle. How about this one? What is this? Can you help mommy? Octopus. Okay. This one. This one. What is this? Yo-yo. And? 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 Kite. And? Sun. And? Van. And? And? How about this? Can you help mommy? What is this? Yeah, that's cat. Can you help mommy here? What is this? This is not apple. Yeah, that's apple. How about this? R for? R for? That's ball. Yeah, that's ball. Letter B for ball. Lion, can I see? Oh yeah, that's lion. How about this? How about this? R for rabbit. Yeah. How about this? Fish. Okay. Grapes. Can I see? Yay. How about this? How about this, Bailey? It's a letter U. U for? No. Umbrella. Oh, what's that? Octopus. And? Egg and? Nest. What's that? No, that one. The green one. Oh, what is that? Q for? Queen. What is that? Grapes. Okay. Oh, your favorite. What is this? Banana. Oh, what is this for your favorite? What is that? Oh, you are watching now. Bailey, you have 1.5 million followers. What will you say to your followers, Bailey? Bailey. Baby Bailey. What will you say to your followers? Thank you. Can you say I love you? Oh, I love you, followers. Thank you, everyone.